search the Google AdSense. I put it in Google AdSense login. So now you need to click this one. Now need to sign in to your YouTube account. Now there's the Google AdSense. I'm in the Google AdSense. So this is the one I earn. That's the I earn top. Then how you find whether they already sent you the mail, the pin. They say here is you need to scroll down this one. Oops. There is so they say there is verified your billing address. Today we mail your pin on November 12. It should be take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Verify your address by entering the pin we sent to you. So right now I already received the pin. This the one, the Google AdSense. There's my Google AdSense. So I need to enter it. Yeah. This is from California. There's address. So now I need to enter the pin. And then they say that your payment are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. So you need to click learn more. So now this is the page. Address verification overview. So this, where can I enter the PIN? So okay, let's open the PIN number, the mail. This is my Google AdSense, the PIN number. So now you need to open here. Let's see what is inside there. Okay, now there's the steps. They got step 1. Sign into your AdSense account at www.google.com/AdSense with the email address and password. you use during application process. Step 2, click the grilled icon and select payment. And then step 3, in the left navigation bar, click account information, then click verify address. Step 4, enter your PIN as it appears on the right and click submit. So there's my PIN number. So let's find it out. Oh my god, I don't know how. So first, they say here next. Okay, today I like to do a tutorial for the Adsense. How to know whether your Adsense is already sent it to you by mail. So first you need to search Google Adsense. Google Adsense. So I'm already in this page, Google Adsense. Now you need to sign in. Okay, now you need to pick your Google. This is my this is my YouTube channel, my YouTube account. Okay, enter PIN. Okay, sign in. Okay, now I already signed in, so I'm already in the Google Adsense. This is the page that you can see. This is my last payment balance, and then there's my pictures, the Google Adsense account. Okay, now to find out whether they already sent you the PIN, there's the say verified your email address, and then we mailed your PIN on November 12, 2019. It should take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Verified your address by entering the PIN we sent you. Okay, so I already received mine, so I need to enter it. So they say that the first is to log into your account. So the next step 2 is this one, right? This is the step 2. They say click the grill icon, this flower icon, and select payment. So you need to click this one. Click this one, and this is the one they will show you. This one. Yeah, that one. Okay, now you need to click, you need to verify your address. So now let's show you. Okay, there's the please note that if your PIN is entered incorrect 3 times, ad service will be suspended. So be careful, guys. You need to enter it right. Okay, so there's that one. There's a page that you can see. So now you need to enter the PIN, because there's the PIN like that. So we are step 3, verify the information, verify the address. And then step 4, enter the PIN as it appear on the right and click submit. So now I need to enter the PIN, right? So there's the open here, enter PIN. So you need to enter it. Okay. Okay. 3. Now submit. You need to click it, submit. That's what happened, guys. Let's see what happened. And they say here they're already verified. See? Then you can see that October 31, there's the earning. There's my earning is 34.34. So then you can see the transaction here and earning, payment. Let's just check payment. Okay. Oh man. Okay. If you click this one, then they show up like this. Your earning monthly, if the total is at least 100, your payout threshold. So I'm not yet. I'm only 34. You search 34% of your payment threshold, so I need to wait to 100. Okay, that's, I think that's only oh, so this is December 1st. So every October, November, and December. I got 3 months already. But it's the only earn I have. Yeah. Yeah, to know whether you do the right, you enter, after you finish your entering your PIN, you need to click the bell, and then you click this one, the bottom one, previous notification, click it, and then that's the one you're gonna see if you enter the PIN correct. Yeah, that one. Okay, this one, the bell. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.